noise, come on. Taking it back. Whoa, if you could hear me now, singing somewhere through the darkest night, dreaming of your arms and held me tight. If I could only see you now, as I've been too long in the wind, oh yeah, too long in the rain, thinking any comfort that I could. And I feel looking back and longing for the freedom of my chest, lying in your loving arms again. I can almost feel the loving arms again. Come on, somebody. First you take my heart in the palm of your hands and squeeze it tight. Then you take my mind, stay with it. Miss Johnson. Thank you so much. I'd like some monitors. Please give me some monitors. I'm begging. I'm only here in the house. This is where you sing along with me now. Come on, sing. I call you when I need you. My heart's in power. Hey, you come to me while my love. Oh, you come to me. Give me everything I need. Give me lifetime promises and a world of dreams. Thank you so much. I'd like to bring the music home, ladies and gentlemen, and pay tribute to the Queen. She's been the Queen for a long time, and that's because she's so great at what she does. Let's pay some tribute to the Queen herself, Miss Marcia Griffith. Go way back. hold up. Hold up. Thank you so much. You enjoying the music? If you don't know, I'm trying to catch my breath. Just stalling to catch my breath because I'm going off house sound, no monitors. So I'm going to ask someone if you can just turn down the music a little bit, turn up my mic a little bit. So for this song, and I am telling you, I'm not going. See, you're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. No, 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 no way. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't want to be free here. I'm staying too. Yes, you are. You love me. You're gonna love me. Oh, yes, you love me, baby. And I am telling you, I'm not going. Even though the rough times are showing, there is just no way. We're part of the same place, part of the same time. We both share the same love. We both have the same mind. And time, we've had so much to share. No, 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 no. I'm not waking up tomorrow morning and find that there's nobody there. Darling, there's no way. No, 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 no. And I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. You see the just no. See on the mountains, scream and shout. Say what you want, but I'm not talking now. Jump on the rivers and push like a kill. I'm not gonna leave. There's no way I I'm telling you, I'm not going, 'cause you're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. Darling, there's no way I'm living without you. I'm not living without you, not living without you. I don't want to be free, I see. Oh, I'm staying. Oh, yes, I'm staying. And you are, yes, you are, yes, you are. I said you are gonna love me. I think I earned my pay this evening now. Jesus. That was hard. But you enjoyed it? So I can go now? You sure about that? Well, I'm going to try to continue. My boy, he make my heart go giddy up. This is my game to play, right or wrong. I play it my way, and if I make mistakes, it's my own heart I break. I've got to find my way in life, myself alone. I only have one life to live. What? I only have one love to give. Come on. No matter what he gives, he touches me and makes me heal. I know I'm here, and he is my love to give. We have one more for the queen. Here we go. But if you knew how much and how I want you, you wouldn't stay away. Oh, if you you were my one desire. You set my soul on fire. You wouldn't stay away. Baby, baby, baby. Now, darling, I know you have found another girl. She treats you nice. I know she's even more beautiful than I. Oh, if you knew how my heart burns for you, and how I long for you, you wouldn't stay. You wouldn't stay. Play tribute to the ladies of Jamaican music. I hope you remember this Jessica lady of song. Mother of protege, I'd like to say, but she had her own career back then. Do you remember Lorna Bennett? This was one of her big hits. Hey, hey, you've been crying, your face is a mess. Come on, baby, you can dry the tears on my dress. She's hurt too, and yeah, I can tell. Oh, I know that love so well. Don't be shy, we've been here before. Your shoes lie down, I will lock the door, and no one has to know you've been here, yeah. Darling, be like it's always been before. Breakfast in bed, kisses on me. You don't have to say you love me. Breakfast in bed, I'm gonna make you sing. Baby, breakfast in bed, breakfast in bed, kisses on me. You don't have to say you love me. Breakfast in bed, breakfast in bed, kisses on me. You don't have to say you love me. Oh, breakfast. Maybe this is who Robert was talking about earlier. Ladies, you know this one. Come on. You're not too early, girlie. You just have passion on the world. Yes, man, you're too early, girlie. You just have passion on the world. And I'm one up, one down. Come on, one in and over. One she's a lawyer and one she's a doctor. One where they work with a little contractor. One out of east, one down a west, him have one up north and two down south. One a sell cigarette pan the runabout. Your man is too early, girl. she think she rule. One she's a nurse, she say she come first. The other night they going out, them pick her new purse. One a set star, one work in a bar, and she can smile when the two of them. One getty, one fretty, and them no drink no other milk. Is all that years go by and still words don't come easily.
Give a round of applause. A voice there. I also, take it down, man. I also must show my respect to Frankie Campbell because he's the man responsible for this wonderful talent. Frankie Campbell, leader of the Fab Five Incorporated band. Yeah, man. Work with her from she. When we just meet her, she's slim, so. Now she get a real brother, you know. Don't you know? One of the things I like about her performance, that the song she said about, Simply the Best. I went to the audience and I saw a lady singing to her husband around the corner there. Wickedly. Turn her mouth to her ears and say, "You're simply the best." I love that. Yeah. Hey, and I noticed them thing there, you know. So she enjoy her money's worth. You ladies are so loving when your husband decide to take you out sometimes. Because them are going like say, they must lose it all the while. Let them show you. Make them come out and carry out them ladies. And ladies show them so much love. That be end for the man to heart it. Because nobody never seen a man here, so me simply best yet, only one time. You know what I mean? Another thing I've noticed, that some of the ladies just dance them. When you can get up and dance, we don't charge you any extra. Then come get up and enjoy yourselves. Okay, I'm talking to Watcher, Brother from Jim Myers. Welcome again. Brother, from me to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. MC. Thank you, audience, for being such a fine audience. Loving good music. And I love good music, though. That's why you're here. Because you love good music. And I keep hearing nowadays that I sing pure dead people music. But I don't care enough because them don't make them so good anymore. So I'm going to stay with the dead people music. Like this. On the day that you left me, we said we have no regrets. There's a bond between us that hasn't been broken yet. And the feelings between us will never disappear. How can you be far away when your spirit's here? You're still my man, but nothing can change it. Don't you know? You wanna know? We belong together. Oh, you're still my man.
Jeb Miles. Give it up. Give it up.